Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Facebook account. So first of all, go to the top right of Facebook and go and click on your profile icon with the three lines. Scroll down and expand settings and privacy and go and click in settings. In settings, you don't want to go and click on account center. Scroll down here into account settings and click on personal details. Now what you need to do is click on account ownership and control, then click on deactivation or deletion. Choose the account you want to do this with. You can either deactivate, which is temporary, or delete, which is permanent. In this case, we're deactivating, so that's selected. I will press continue. Now I will enter my password. It's going to go and ask for a reason, so that's up to you. And I will press continue. Then it's then going to go and provide some alternatives, and you can do an automatic reactivation if you want. I'm not going to, but that's up to you. You will press continue and then just make sure you go through this. You can choose if you want to go and continue using Messenger, and when you're ready, click on deactivate my account at the bottom. Make sure you have read through, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.